Okay, I am here with a really cool travel backpack. This is a 45 liter, which is a really nice size. I find that to be a very flexible kind of size. It is, let's just start with basics. You want to know, is it comfortable? Yeah, it absolutely is comfortable. I think my only one thing that I would request, I love the shape of the straps. I would request that maybe in the future they add that little strap that goes across the middle. I do like that. But outside of that little request, it is super duper comfortable. Backpacks are so good. You may know we have a Doug and Nikki travel channel on YouTube. We travel all over the world, do all kinds of crazy things. And I am the donkey that has to carry everything around. And I carry everything in backpacks. I've tried every shape, size, anything you could possibly imagine in backpacks. I've tried it, so I know what I speak of when we talk about backpacks. Let's take a closer look at it, really evaluate some of the pieces. So right off the bat, I want to tell you, this is a nice weave. It is a really good looking backpack, which is honestly still important to me. Let's talk on the outside. Has the pocket for, which is ventilated. You can see my fingers in there. This is great for a bottle of water, something like that. Has another side pocket here. Again, you can put more water in there, something like that, or an umbrella. Now, it has all of these. You saw me just grab this and move this around. So these are great for both what I did for adjusting stuff, but these are all great little mounting points for carabiners. I actually even saw on the handles here, again, the same thing. These spots here are specifically designed to hang things off of. While we have it over, let me show you nice padded straps and really nice padded and ventilated on your lower back, on your shoulders. This is Nikki's favorite thing in the world. This goes over the handle of your rolling luggage, so it doesn't have to be on your back anymore. She loves that. These here are completely adjustable. Like if you don't have it full and you want it to be a little more compact, you can kind of tighten these down, or if you need a little more space, you just unbelt them like that, kind of like your belt after Thanksgiving. Here on the back is a pocket. This is kind of a big pocket, but like a weird, normally this is where your glasses pocket, your sunglasses pocket would be. I like that it is nicely padded if you're going to use it for that, but it's definitely, you got to kind of slide it in, rotate. This is much bigger than just for a pair of glasses. That is a nice big pocket there. In here, you'll see this opens nice and wide like that, which is a huge thing. I really like that it opens so much. This is a great pocket for like memory cards, stuff like that. A mouse, keys. Speaking of keys, you see, I'm sure you see this little strap. This is great if you're traveling. You can put like your one hotel key on there, and then you don't have to carry it with you all the time. You can just pop it on there, and it's right in where you know you're going to look for it. Again, another zipped, fairly large pocket here. That's pretty nice there. Here again is another pocketed section. This goes nice and far down. This would be perfect for like a magazine, reading materials, your headphones, that kind of stuff when you're going on the plane. I will tell you also, as we go through 10,000 different zippered compartments here, these are really nice quality zippers. These are not going to junky break on you really quickly. So this is the main compartment here, right, where it has this pouch here where you could either put your phone and use this hole here to string your headset out of, or you can use this pouch for your battery backup, plug this in, and you have access to it from the outside of your bag, which is kind of a cool thing. This is another little separate pocket, but this is your main pocket here for packing a lot of stuff. Again, this is a 45 liter when full, really nice size. And the last thing I want to show you, I'm going to hold it up here because it makes it easier to demonstrate. This is your TSA pocket. Opens a full 180 degrees. You can put a 17-inch laptop in here. It's got one pocket here. I normally use this padded pocket for the laptop itself. Here I'll put the power supply, maybe mouse pad, mouse, that kind of stuff. But it's really nice that it opens up, makes it easy to work with, and if TSA needs to access it, that is really very effective. Overall, gotta say, I'm a fan. This thing is cool. This is a great value if you're looking for a good basic travel backpack with a ton of features packed in it. I mean, it's got a whole ton of features packed in there. I think they said it has 20 pockets. I don't know, did you count the video? I don't know how many I did. In any case, I'm gonna give this a full 5 out of 5 for a basic backpack for traveling, a good flexible size. Could either be large or you could strap it down, be a little smaller. Got nice padding, it's comfortable to wear. Yeah, that's all I got on this one. I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.